This is how to download flashcards from NotebookLM. From your dashboard, select a notebook. I will select this notebook. Then from your studio, you can select a flashcard you want to download. So just click your flashcard right here. Then you can also expand the viewer. Here you can see 3 dots. Just click this one. Choose download set and save this as CSV file. Then you can open your CSV file. And you can see here your text, question, and answer. So take note that NotebookLM only exports CSV file. You can also reshuffle the set and then you can download the new set. So this is how to download flashcards from NotebookLM.